curing 1,000 people's blindness. It's gonna be crazy.
Most of us see the world like this. But here's the thing, 200 million people see the world like this. But
Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy that 200 million people basically are blind or partially blind? And MrBeast is taking an initiative to try to help these people see again. This is actually very, very interesting that I think we should all pay attention to. Really.
I just made it one less.
Oh. Wow.
She's just one of 1,000 blind people we help from around the world.
They can't see, but we have all the technology to fix it.
Yep, half of all the blindness in the world is people who need a 10-minute surgery.
Crazy.
Did you hear that? Half the blindness in the world are people who need surgery in about 10 minutes. So my question is, why aren't these people getting this 10-minute surgery? Oh, I get it. Because of moolah, right? Or lack of moolah.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I see everybody.
Oh, I can see clear. I can jump for joy.
Yes, I can see your face, I can see your face, I can see your face.
If you're wondering how the surgery allows people to see again, it's because the lens in their eye got so cloudy that they can't see through it. So the surgeon uses a tiny back.
So this condition is actually called cataracts. And believe it or not, I've seen the surgery done on animals, actually. Before I became an acupuncture physician, I was actually a veterinary technician in Miami, Florida. And basically, I was in a vet assistant in the field. And I assisted the veterinarian in doing cataract surgery on dogs. And believe it or not, it's very interesting.
To suck up the clouded lens.
Whoa, it's sucking.
And replace it with an artificial one. This surgery is that simple. They can see again.
You pay for my surgery?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yeah, here's $10,000 to make your day even better.
I mean, you have to admit, I know MrBeast have got some bad publicity recently, but for whatever reason he's doing this, he's still bringing good to the world. He just is, right? He just is definitely bringing good to the world, and I love to see this.
Is she okay? We're gonna go fix more people's eyesight. She's squeezing hard.
And we're just getting started. We still have 980 lives left to change.
There's my watch. I've never seen it before.
Oh my God.
I had night blindness. I couldn't see. That you just deal with it life.
I'm Nolan, by the way.
I'm Carl.
You're Carl? I know a guy named Carl. Not a good guy.
Moment of truth.
Wow, you are pretty, ain't you?
What's it like? What do you see?
Blur.
How long have you not been able to work for?
4 months.
Did you hear about the cross-eyed teacher? She couldn't control her pupils.
It's crazy. I mean, the more I think about this, the more it's just almost funny, but it's not funny, that a 10-minute cataract surgery can change the lives for millions of people. And my thing is, I know not everybody can afford certain things, but don't you think every government in every country should at least put money aside for people to see again? Isn't it going to help the economy? Isn't it going to help the whole population and country? That's what I'm thinking. So actually, it's actually a no-brainer. Every country should put money aside to help people with cataracts in surgery.
I'm gonna need anesthetic soon.
Oh man, no cloudiness, no blurriness.
Oh, it's perfect.
Now, what's it like?
I can see everything.
I don't need these.
Wow.
Our next patient is Charlie.
You're not able to read any of this text on the TV?
No, it's an E or something, I think.
Again, my thing is, this should be a no-brainer, y'all. I mean, this 10-minute surgery, 10 minutes. You know how fast it is? It's an outpatient procedure. You go in blind, and 10 minutes later, you come out seeing again. I mean, Come on.
He won't know he won 10 grand until after his surgery. I can't wait to see his reaction. Charlie sees everything like this, and it's made him and his family's life extremely difficult.
I was a cashier. My eyes was getting so bad I couldn't see how much money to give back. I just want to get my vision back so I can go back to work.
You're gonna be really happy after this surgery.
We'll see after it.
Trust me, you will see.
When patients go into surgery, there's a chance that they can get their life back. And for Charlie, if the surgery goes well, he can go back to work.
What's it like?
Oh, wow.
All right, let's see if he can read it now. What is it?
That's what I was talking about. You know, the fact that Charlie can see again and he can go back to work, that means he can go back to contributing to society, therefore making his city more money, himself more money. Like, it's a net positive. So why isn't every state in the United States have money aside to help people get this 10-minute cataract surgery? I'm sure there's nonprofit organizations helping that for sure, but there's something, it's basic, like meaning vision should be a right for everybody, not for who has money to pay for it.
To say?
You just won $10,000.
Here you go.
Oh my gosh. It feels good. I didn't think I'd ever be able to see again.
Thank you all so much.
I don't want to lose none of it.
I'll hold on to it.
Oh no, I'll hold on to it.
Donnie, Dr. Nolan.
He's not really a doctor. He's a fool.
Do you need any help?
I mean, every time I see this, it's just very touching, you know. Again, I know MrBeast has some bad bad media lately, but as far as, you know, being accused of certain things at the workplace, but at the end of the day, I think he does more good than harm in the society. And if more YouTube creators or social media creators in general team up, we can at least try to solve this problem. This 10-minute cataract surgery, that's 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And that everyone should be able to get if needed. This should be like a universal no-brainer for every state, every country.
And that just haven't been me for the last 62 years. I can actually see your face.
That's crazy.
Here, I can read this.
When you
So it's time for us to just, you know, take a stand.
No, I don't even see any blur.
Look at this, and this guy's young. This guy's young, and he was partially blind, or you know, come on. And I guess he couldn't afford this 10-minute surgery, and thank God MrBeast came along and helped him see again.
It's kind of great.
How are you feeling? How's life been now?
It's been good, you know? I be like looking at the cars and I'm like, wow, I can see that car all the way over there.
That's good if you're gonna drive.
Yeah.
I have a surprise for you. Do you mind putting on this blindfold?
Hold on.
I know it's a little ironic that we just did the surgery. Satchel, take off your blindfold.
What?
This is your brand new Tesla.
So the guy gets he gets his vision, and he gets a brand new Tesla. Wow.
If Chris wrecks it, I'll buy another one.
Literally, I cannot put into words how I feel right now.
Have you ever driven a car before?
No.
I love how we're letting guys who couldn't see a couple weeks ago drive us.
Yeah.
Wait, there's one cone you should hit. Yeah,
Don't hit the cone.
that is so good.
Possible.
And MrBeast just wasn't in the US doing this. As you can see, he was doing it all over the world. Man, this is very, very heartwarming. In a world right now where there seems to be a lot of selfishness and hatred going around, it's good to see MrBeast and other people like him spreading good into this world, because I do believe at the end of the day, good always overcomes the evil. Wow. So we're up to 997 people that he helped see again. And let's see these last 3, how that turned out.
I can see him.
As a thank you because you were just so gracious in this video, we want to make a $100,000 donation.
It'll bring sight to thousands of people.
Como le digo, me siento nueva.
I see everything.
Oh my God, you are so
Wow.
beautiful. Wow.
Thank you, MrBeast. Thank you.
And there we go. That was 1,000 people that he helped see again. 1,000 people that he helped see again. You know, look, in this world of negative energy going around, it's good to see somebody like MrBeast putting in the work. And as an acupuncture physician, that's why I became a physician, acupuncture physician, to try to help people as much as possible, to do my little 2 cents or 3 cents or 4 cents. So please, I'm asking you out there, be kind to people, be kind to your neighbors, be kind to strangers, okay? Be careful now. Not everybody has good intentions, but overall, just try to help somebody out today, okay? Don't be so mean. Don't fall into this racism stuff or political stuff, whatever. At the end of the day, all we have is each other. We are all human beings. We are all on this planet together. And we're supposed to be higher intelligent animals. So let's act like it. If you have any questions below, leave it down. You know, if you have any questions, please leave it below, and I'll talk to you later. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and become a member.